Yeah, people. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Don't know, it's a boy, Mr. Asher, the guy. So today we post something in the community section. I don't know if you see it. So it say drop on a favorite shrimp recipe, guys. But only one, I think only one person comment so far, and your boy get hungry still. So the one I drop in the comments, may I try that. And the person said basically coconut shrimp. So me assume say a coconut curry shrimp, right? So I'm gonna try that, guys. And you don't know anything already. Make sure if you stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, you see me? And not much respect to everybody. So stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, so we have a shrimp them. I'm not showing you shrimp them, but I gotta see if I can deviate them, guys. Cause them no deviant. This is like a whole shrimp with the exoskeleton and everything, guys. I'm show you. But this is the shrimp, and it have, as you can see, it have everything on it. Everything. See there? So yeah, so I have to look off it, deviate it and get back. Cause at first I make it like this, I climb a shrimp, you know, guys. So I can't go use all light, just a little bit. Yeah, so just stay tuned, watch how go on. Yeah. Alright, people, so this is my share of the shrimp. And I get them deveined. So basically, you gotta just take off the head and like a little, what do you call it? The vein, yeah. So I get the vein outside and everything. I gotta see a video on YouTube first before I try it still, so. Now I'm gonna make no mistake like with the jello. When I should read the package, but you know I got it still, guys, so yeah, just stay tuned and watch how I go on. Alright, guys, so we're gonna get the shrimp deviant right now. You see them use scissors. So let us see how this works. Just take off the top. So basically, guys, I see them just cut. And you can take off the shell, but I'll leave the shell on. Because them say it add flavor, or something like that. So I'm gonna take off this. I'm gonna open it out. And open and see now. So like you just scoop out the vein or something like that. Yeah, but I'm not seeing no vein of this. Oh, see it here. So vein right there, so scoop it and it's dried. Yeah. So I do that for the rest of them, guys. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Give me what I do. Shrimp, I make, boy. You have to make it. More you deviant something them, my youth, cause I'm not.
Deviant what?
The shrimp. Vein in it, my youth.
I'm a vein, brother.
A vein.
I didn't glock back, brother. I didn't feel back me, but glock back.
What's it?
I didn't feel back, brother.
So you have to take all that down.
Of course.
I thought it tastes bad. All of them have it too, you know. Well, of course, all of them have it. Eh? Yeah. Two that I'm gonna like.
Try.
Yeah, people, so now we just stay tuned and watch your progress, cause this take long to do. So, I'm gonna make you see when it's done. Alright, guys. Alright, people. So this is the aftermath of everything, guys. You see the shell, and we have this much. I know it looks small. Yeah, guys. So I get them seasoned up. And you know that go already. Maggi. Then we have a natural seasoning. Yeah, people. So stay tuned and watch it again, you know. Yeah, people. So we have all our spices and everything. We have a fish jerk, cause me like jerk, and we have all-purpose seasoning, and of course with Maggi. Of course, we have to have Maggi, you know. Yeah, so I can get it seasoned up. All right. So everything, we got the seasoning for everything. Time to mix it in. Yeah, mix it in, guys. Hold on. Like that. You see how it, bro?
Some kung soup and some shrimp and a chicken in the same way.
Alright, bro. We'll see. I've got to see how this turn out, guys. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Natural seasoning. Get that out of the pot as best as possible. By any means, you have to get it inside. Alright. Yeah, people, just a big pan to saute down a little bit. Yeah, saute. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yeah, people, so you have the shrimp here, so but black. Can put the jerk seasoning on it. But that's some me like it, you know? So that's all you have to do. Then you have climb and feed conk. I'm gonna force me and see this, you know? Yeah, people, so stay tuned for that. You know, you have to check out that video there on film channel already. Yeah. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Alright, peeps, so we'll get this added in. Okay. Me keep going and cook. Kind of get prepared with it. I don't know why. Yeah, just good. Yeah, people, so go and watch your progress, you know? Slowly but surely, guys. So if we continuously toss them, you don't want them overcook. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch what I'm going, you know? Looking nice. But I get to a bit flash and make you see it. Yeah, guys, so see it, so look at the flash. As I said, it did look a little bit dark, but I just because flash the lighting. So see there, nice and luscious, you know. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Yeah, people, so we have rice. And get that covered up and have the shrimp. Yeah. And burn up on that. Water, you know. People, so we get the coconut powder add in, but it's a little cake up, so a little bit cakey, so mix it out as best as I could. And yeah, so I go and simmer down of the rice. I go and do things, so stay tuned and watch your progress. Don't know, say we're outside already, inside if you say. So make sure if you like, share, subscribe. Yeah man, and just do the right thing. Alright. Yeah people, so me have my thing shrimp coconut curry. And we have the rice. Everything done and ready. So I'm gonna share the food now. So stay tuned and watch your progress. Hmm?
Yeah.
You bad?
No.
Yeah people, climb a taste the shrimp and dark up.
That is it, man. I get it on one plate.
See film thing, yeah? Conch, it look nice. Never did expect it to look so nice. And you might make soup. So you have to watch a part of a theme channel, guys. Yeah, so stay tuned for the theme video and yeah.
I'm not post no video, so I get back on track, you know. Mad. Mad. Mad.
Yeah people, so it's clear my thing, yeah. Conch soup and what? What is it?
Chicken and shrimp.
And see my thing, yeah. Curry rich. Rich. Watch it. Rich, guys. Yeah man, that's it, man. Coconut shrimp. I'm gonna drop the comment. The person who comments them for the coconut shrimp. Shout out to you. Don't know anything already. So guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe. And also check out Climber video. My on film channel. Yeah, and that is it for the video. It's our reach. Nice. But it's hot. Yeah people, so that is it.